Hey everybody, Tuesday morning, February 7th, 2023. Support resistance chart I put out yesterday highlighted this area with this beige uh, block here horizontally. You see that 4132 area has been a magnet for the last few days. It's just pulling the price right there. We're in this period of low volatility until we either break out here. You can see the levels. I haven't really changed them from yesterday. Let me put one other thing on here. I added one of the price indicators from the Plato Firework. You can see it gave me these extra lines on here, which I didn't show yesterday, which caught these other points. The area of these lows and then these in between minor lows and highs. Anyhow, we're stuck sideways for the moment. Let me look at the Astro Excel. Here's the Astro Excel for this week. We're moving into, we were flat down here yesterday at the -10 line. Today now we're right to the point here where we should start to see some upside pressure. The green line is moving up, actually goes above the 0 line this week for part of the day. So we've got upside until we move into tomorrow. Then we're a little bit flat. We start pushing down about 3 a.m. We've got downward pressure through Wednesday. We start to flatten out Thursday. We're locked inside the 0 and -10 line, sideways through Thursday with some slight bullish pressure up through Friday. So that's what it's looking like for the rest of the week for a little bit of a trend forecast.